Sarah Ferguson has shared 3 new posts on her Instagram page hinting at new beginnings, with one post sharing details of how to pre-order her new book A Most Intriguing Lady, which is published next week. This year will also see the Duchess welcoming her 3rd grandchild, as her youngest daughter Princess Eugenie announced her 2nd pregnancy earlier this year. Fergie today deleted all her old posts, including ones featuring her grandson August and her granddaughter Sienna. Instead she shared 2 pictures of a lavish tea party, captioning one "Here's to the turn of a page," and the second "A New Beginnings." One image featured a close-up of a lady pouring a cup of tea, whilst a second picture showed a perfectly arranged dinner table with a pastel pink theme, featuring strawberry mille fulls, fresh fruit and croissants. Fans were left mystified as to what the posts could signify, with one commenting, "Why have you deleted all your posts? Why the mysterious new posts?" However, as another fan correctly guessed, the posts were promotion for her new book, as she shared a video 1 hour later explaining her cryptic messages. She captioned the video, "Lady Mary, what on earth have you been up to? My brand new historical romance novel, A Most Intriguing Lady, is on sale next week. Her heart for a compass taught us to follow our hearts. A Most Intriguing Lady is about fresh starts, mystery and of course, romance."